voted Branson's best drive-thru lights display. Let There Be Lights offers one of the most inclusive drive-thru light experience in Branson. 2 miles of lights on 74-acre park, including some zoo animals. We're ready to drive through Let There Be Lights. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we just got through with the Promised Land Zoo, Let There Be Lights, and it was so amazing. Mary Lee, what'd you think?
I thought it was beautiful, honestly.
Well, we're here in the courtyard now. I heard there's a little petting zoo and some more lights. So,
I also heard there was Santa.
What are we waiting for?
Santa!
Let's go. Look at them big boys. Look at those camels. See his little eyes?
Aww.
They're like smack dab in the middle. I don't think they're in the mood to be petted today.
All right, at least we tried.
We came, we saw. They were really, really cute though.
All right, y'all, we're about to go inside the Animal Adventure Building.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, there's a turtle right there. Right in the corner. Yo, he is big chilling right now. Look at him.
What is it?
It's a Gila monster.
Never seen one of those.
I think these ones have blue tongues.
Look at that food. He's getting better food than I am.
You mean the fly or the actual?
Yes.
Oh. With the family of tortoises. There's a baby in the middle. There's 2 babies. There's 2 baby tortoises.
Leonardo. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's the man of the hour.
Santa and Mrs. Claus themselves. How you guys doing today?
Wonderful.
I gotta ask, am I on the naughty or nice list?
You know, I mean, right now it's borderline.
What'd I tell you? See, 50-50.
Yeah.
No, I said
You
her.
gotta keep working on it, but you're so close.
So close to the system. Okay.
Keep them on the naughty list. Absolutely.
I mean, you can get there.
Mm-hmm.
You just gotta keep
She's being good. Okay. I'll take that to heart. What about you? What about Mary Lee?
being. Absolutely. She's all the way up there. She's getting good stuff.
Santa's got my back.
Look at the little head right behind the shoulder.
Oh my god.
I just saw it's like the tiniest head just poke out.